Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a listing on Shpock. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shpock if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we firstly have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and check out what you're looking for, of course. In the top right corner, we have your inbox and your profile where you can see selling, buying, watch list, saved searches, reviews, and we have the saved locations, help center settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a listing on Shpock. So creating a listing on Shpock is straightforward, and here's a step-by-step guide. So firstly open Shpock and then click on start a listing, so click sell now button. So you basically need to go here. And of course, we have the selling here, and here you just need to go to sell. Of course, you have sell and sold, as you can see. Here also we have the inbox, selling, buying, watch list, save searches, reviews, etc. But of course, we have no active listing. What you're waiting for, create a listing. You just need to then click on create a listing. Then here, of course, you can go and create one. So you can download the app and create a Shpock listing. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. Hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.